The MOOG DS1235 Track Bar is engineered to restore your vehicle's steering and handling to like new conditions, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. This premium aftermarket part is designed with OE fit and form geometry for perfect alignment and effortless installation. The rubber bushings help absorb road vibrations, ensuring a smooth driving experience, while the greaseable socket prevents corrosion and wear, extending the life of your steering system. What makes the MOOG DS1235 stand out is its durable construction, validated by MOOG engineers, which guarantees performance that lasts. With broad coverage for both foreign and domestic applications, it's an ideal choice for anyone looking to replace their worn track bar with an easy-to-install, high-performance part. The greaseable design allows for new lubricant to flush out debris, ensuring optimal performance and preventing long-term damage. As the preferred choice of professional technicians and NASCAR crew chiefs, MOOG continues to lead in steering and suspension solutions. Whether you're a seasoned DIer or a professional mechanic, the MOOG DS1235 is a trusted component that meets the highest standards. Installation is made easy with clear instructions, and the part fits securely, even in tough installations, ensuring you get the best results every time. Upgrade your steering and handling today with the MOOG DS1235 Track Bar. For those seeking reliable performance and longevity, this product is the perfect solution. Check out the link in the description to buy now and enjoy the benefits of smoother, more responsive driving.